How to take screenshot in FaceApp. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can take screenshots in FaceApp. So without any delay, let's just jump right into the video and find out how to do that. For that, you can directly head over to your FaceApp application and select up a picture that you want to edit it out. So you can go ahead and select up your picture that you want to edit out. And when you select it, it will be placed like this. So in order to screenshot, it is very easy. After you have applied the changes using this FaceApp application according to your preference, you just need to press the buttons that you usually do to normally take a screenshot if you're on an Android. For example, you need to press your volume button and your power button at the same time. So you can just go ahead and do that. And when you do that, it will take a screenshot of that particular image just like that. So for now, this is the method you can apply up. If you want to save the image, you can find a save option in the top right corner. So this is how you do it. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.